It is day 22, and I'll have a blue Christmas with Lego, because all these blue Legos like this one, I'll be doing alright with this Lego of white, but I like that blue Lego Christmas. It is day 22 of our Lego Advent Calendar, so we're going to get started on that. I'm hoping that it's the robot on the day 22 panel, but we'll see. How does this... It's kind of hard to see on the robot, actually. There we go. It's the robot. Wowee. Wee. The year 2000, the year 2000, the distant future, the year 2000. It is the year 2000, and we are robots. Yes, ever since the robotic uprising of the mid-90s. Yada yada. I can't remember the rest of the lyrics, but the humans are dead. The humans are dead. We used poisonous gases, and we poisoned their bottoms. Actually, their lungs. Okay, so I'm going to get started here before we get demonetized, because I don't know who owns the rights to Flight of the Conchords. So, yeah, they might own their own rights. Who knows? Jermaine. Okay, what am I building? I'm going to take this little gauge, this little steam gauge. Let's see if we can get that in an angle that is visible just a little bit. You can check out the Instagram feed if you want to see a better picture of this stuff. And we're going to put the head. Does the robot not have a face? That's sad. Robots need faces, otherwise how can they smile and murder people? Hey kids, what politician am I? If you answered all of them, you're pretty close to being right. Okay, let's get started. I won't say the answer because it'll upset Dad. Acknowledging that it will upset Dad will probably upset Dad. Okay. Let's clip the audio with our whistling. Do a binary solo. 1001000111000111111. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. It had to be done so we could have fun. The humans are dead. They look like they're dead. The humans are dead. Yeah. Affirmative. I poked one. It was dead. Yeah, there's the robot. Hans Robotstein. He is going to be celebrating Robonica. So, if you're a Futurama fan watching this, give us a thumbs up or comment down below so that we know you're watching this. Us Futurama fans have to stick together and hope for new content, be it movies, shows, sequel series, Zoidberg and Nixon. That would be good. I would watch that. I wish they did Futurama Lego. They did Simpsons Lego, so why couldn't they do Futurama Lego? That would be amazing. Okay, so I don't think that little thing actually goes on there, and I think I made this bigger than it's supposed to be. So there's the robot. It's a robot. She's a robot. Which is William Shatner in that episode of The Twilight Zone where he says, she's a robot. A rabbit. Yeah. Obscure reference. Yeah, so we'll set these, whoop, almost dropped that. These parts aside, maybe do something with that. There's the robot, and there's his nuclear war core. I'm guessing. I don't know, I'm just coming up with names. Yeah. Pretty cool little robot dude. I like him. His arms move because it's Lego. His legs move, his head pivots, kind of, if his arms are in certain positions. And he's got the little wind-up key on the back. The first invention the robots made after they destroyed all the humans was a machine to wind their own keys. So, there we go. We'll put the robot with the minifigures. Maybe the robot wants some bakery stuff. He's going to carry his nuclear war cube with him. I don't know why they did that if he's a wind-up robot. It looks like it's supposed to be a power cell or something. I don't know. Maybe it's a skyscraper. Oh, maybe it's a skyscraper and this is a giant robot that's going to go and topple over the skyscraper. That actually makes way more sense. So, he's over there now, chilling with his peeps. Maybe robot and dog could be friends. Let us know in the comment below if you think robots and canines would make good companions. As for this, I believe we are about done this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, we would really appreciate your subscription. We upload new content on Mondays and bonus content on Thursdays. And for the remaining, 2 days? The next 2 days, we're going to be posting additional videos for this, the 23rd and 24th. And, oh, I just realized I didn't fix that after I knocked it over. Yeah. Make sure you've rung the bell so you don't miss out on those notifications for those updates. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.